Morning guys, it's day 3, but it's not actually day 3 because yesterday I was busy, so it's the 30th of November today, last day I believe of the month, then we're in the 1st of December, yep, so today will be the final day because there's not much to do, yeah, so today's going to be the final day. I put the shelf up underneath the TV and moved that bookshelf out of the way because it was just mainly getting used for crap, and we're trying to make some room in here and tidy stuff up. So I'm going to put it in the kids' room, and I'll quickly turn you around so you can see what I've done off camera. So as you can see, I've put the shelf up there so we can put our DVD player and stuff there and whatnot. So yeah, so it's the last day today, as there's not much else left to do in here, and then that'll be it. So I'll need to, I'm going to do a Euro Truck video at some point for you guys. It's going to be laggy at times because I'm running off a crappy computer and recording on the same computer. I still haven't got the money yet to buy a second computer. So yeah, I'll see you in a sec. Right guys, first thing is we need to remove these wall plugs things, so so we can fill it in. Ones that are deep behind, like these here, they can stay in because there's enough room to fill in. Like this one here is a few mil in, and that's enough to fill over. But this one and this one are right up flush against it, so we'll go ahead and rip them out. Now we need, what wrong with? Now we need to do the same over there to those ones. So yeah, you're not meant to see a thing, but it's the thought that counts. Wow, these have been a little stubborn. So having to rip like half your wall apart to get them out was not fun. Oh, the joys. There's a huge like dent up here as well, and I have no idea where it's come from. I don't even know how it got there. I'll show you. Crap, struck on the floor. Over. There. I have no idea where it's come from. It's just appeared out of nowhere. And it's lovely. It was snowing just a second ago, but now it's pissing down rain. Right, I'm gonna go grab filler and other stuff, and then we'll crack on and do the fins and whatnot. Right, got a load of stuff in there. For the fin side of things, so this could do with scraping some off. That one doesn't feel any good anymore, so chuck it on away. Need to clean that off a little bit. Goes a bit minging. Don't need it to be perfect. That'll do. Right, I'm going to make a start over here first. I'll move you over here so you can see a bit better what I'm doing. And of course we've got a load of Christmas presents in there that we need to wrap up as well, yeah. There we go. Still sealed up. I thought it would have been a bit they undo, but it's not, it's that. Wow, is this not any good? Should be. I wouldn't say it was any good, being that colour, but it's fine because it just needs painting over. Whoa, very watery. No idea why it's so watery. I hate filling. And then after that it'll be a simple case of sanding down and painting over. It's literally that easy. You can't see that on the map, so let me move you so you can see a little bit more of everything. Hopefully that's better. Oh, got mud on the bed. Never mind, good job it needs changing today. Actually, having this little bit here is actually spot on because it means I can go right in. Sweet. I'm not sure how long it takes to dry, but I'm not really in a rush, so it's all good. And I've noticed as well, underneath that TV, that shelf, the wall is not, let's say it's not square, let's say that. Wow, what is it, this crap? Sweet, can you see it over here? Yeah, maybe just. Sorry guys, blocking you a little bit. So it smells nice. And now I'm going to do this big bit. That's up here. I should put my work trousers on really. Hold on 2 seconds guys, just need to grab some tissue because it's running all down my hand. And it's just horrible. Trying to get rid of it. Right. Let's see if you can see what I can see. So we'll do this one first. It's a big bit that needs doing, so. Right, this is a huge bit. It's not foaming too bad actually. As long as you have one of these that can go even to the wall, it's actually not too bad at all. And that is that. So I'll move you now, obviously, down to these. You can see that one? Just. So this is not taking very long, I'll quickly do the other bit as well. That's behind me. So this is not taking very long. And these are bigger as well, so yeah. Oh, wrong way. There we go. See if you can see. We can go in the bin. Wow, this is a lot of filling. But then what do you expect? Bloody great holes. Whoa, don't do that. We're just going to empty this water out, or chemicals, whatever it is. It's not something that I want in that. Well, this one's being stubborn. There we go. That one needs a little bit more. They all do, actually. That one quite a bit more. Can you see alright? Sort of. Sweet. Oh, got other holes there as well. Totally forgot about these. Alright, I'll get on and do these, and then we're back in a sec. From what I can see for the minute, guys, that looks to be it for that. Yeah, so the next thing I want to do is try and tackle the wiring. I've been dreading this because I don't want to do it. I really don't want to do it. So, but it has to get done. Because if I don't do it, who will? That's what you should be asking yourself. Oh dear. Oh dear. This is evil. So evil. Timber cables is horrible. Alright, so the HD can toddle along there. And now you can't see this bit, I'm sorry. Right, HD in place. I need to find the clip things that cover it up, because I have 5 here. No, 4. 3. Actually 5. There's some more down there, but it's going to be one of these. That one there, if you can see it, that one, I believe goes right down to the floor. So, sweet. First time. I need to buy some more of these, but at like 10 quid for 3 meters, it's a no for me from that. for the minute it just does make things a lot neater, so I can hide all this, it'd be perfect. You won't really see this much anyway, so I'm not too fussed. Right, hold on guys. Sorry about that, guys. I had a visit from my best mate, Petey. You know him from Holiday and everywhere else. I've put that one on just for the minute. That one to the left is on at the top and in the middle there, but I need to sort the wiring out at the bottom. I've also, oh, wrong way. Whoops. I've also just put that one on for a minute. There's no cables running for it, but it's there for the minute, just so I don't lose it. Really desk now, I suppose, because yeah, but I don't want to be piling everything up for it to be junking other places up and whatnot. So. But I may, after this, I may do a video for you guys. There you go. I may do a video for you guys on Eurotruck. I'll see how I'll get on. I do want to complete this room, and there's not much else. I don't want to be doing a video of me tidying up. You know, I mean, it's not going to be very fun for you guys. And these can go up there. You can't see. I apologise for that. Kids like to play with that one, so they can go up there. Want some? No? Okay. Need to find somewhere for this to go. Spare phones and cables and whatnot. My missus' tablet, that's all good. That can go. That can go in the bin. What's parking in there from that way? It's going in the bin. Okay, apparently not. That can go up there. Bin. Can go up there. CCTV. Actually, I need to try and sort that CCTV out because it's, again, because I disconnected it, everything, like internet wise, disconnected, so now I haven't got it for my phone. So I'll have to look that up, and we'll do that in a bit. It can be a pig of a job. Put it on there. That needs to go. That also needs to go in the lounge. It's just stuff, random stuff like this. I can't even have a drink because I ran out of milk. And Mrs. got a purse with her. And I hate paying by card. I hate it. Because it's bloody embarrassing if you go, pay by card, and it doesn't work. It's... Oh, I did have a message from Petey. Okay. Yeah, it's... I can't remember what I was going to say, or what I was saying. Sucks to be me. Oh, right, we can sort this TV out as well. Move you over here. Oh, you can't see much like that, can you? There we go. This here could do with cable tied there. Actually, I can run that first cable up there. So let me grab this ridiculously long cable tie. It is ridiculously long because that. Before I do that properly, I'm gonna need you see? You can't see properly. There we go. So I'll disconnect this. Gonna move up the other side. Whoa, nearly. Oh yeah, I can also put that up in there as well, because that was my original plan. I remember now. Keep it protected and out of the way. So this one here can actually go through the top of there. Then it's well out of the way then. Like that. Hopefully it stays there for a second. Don't think there's anything else. Nope. This cable up here is the VGA. That's a bit better. It's not ever going to need more than... Oh, hold on. Hold on. Got a TV cable here. That could also go up through there. So that'll make it a bit neater up there as well. Now for the tack, plug that back in. Ow. And that one's got... Come on, don't do this to me. Fine, whatever. That could have actually got wrapped up there as well. Never mind. I will actually run that through there though, just so it keeps it up out of the way, instead of using another zip tie. And then I may be able to run this through like this. Like that. Like that. And then this can run, or maybe I can get a bit more in that. And that can run out like that. Hope that makes sense to you. It may not, because you may not be able to see that. Just so it keeps it a tad bit neater. If this was wider, I would have put all this down in there as well, but it's not, so I can't. For sakes, that frickin' thing. Voila, like that. Oh. I think we're pretty sweet there. This bit here, is, whoa. This is the VGA that's going, I'll turn you around. That's the VGA that's going to that box there, which is powering that. So that we may be able to put in the same bit. Can you see all this? Just that's for the other long one I've got. I don't know what to do with yet. It's getting there slowly, guys. It's getting there slowly. Is that? You are zoomed out as well. Awesome. I don't need to take this all the way off because yeah, just because. So, like that. You can't see. I apologise again. Oh wow! Get out the way. Friggin' cables. Actually, this will help keep the. I'll show you in a sec. Hold on. Oh wow! What's that one? Oh, that's something that could go in there as well. Actually, that's my Ethernet cable for my computer. So that could actually, yeah, that would neatly go in there as well. And then hopefully get that bit to come out the same bit as down there. Can you see? Not really, I'll show you in a bit. Like that. Yeah, sorted. I think. I don't know, it's not clipped in properly, but it's neater. So, got Ethernet, VGA, CCTV cables, extension cord. What else we've got to run through there? That's it. Oh, and power cable for the printer. You see there? CCTV cable. Yeah, that's it, because my computer is plugged in over here, I believe. Yeah, computer down there. So, sweet, let's move this back. There we go. Turn it back on. I'm not going to bother running one of these all the way up for this one damn wire. I'm not doing it. I'd rather make it long enough to run up and up through there and straight up. I could put this a little bit here actually to hide, oh you can't even see, to hide the cable in. I could do that. I may do that. Let me have a look. That is all good. I need to make an extension actually for that, for the TV and for the DVD player. I've got sockets down there, so I'll run it along the skirting, considering our skirting's like this bloody thick, that bloody ridiculous it is. I'll run it up and up over the door, and I'll run it in the same area as these, because I need to put these in those things, whatever they're called, and then I'll run it all the way along, and then I'll put like a plug socket there, a double plug socket there. That is probably the best bet for me, so I will do that. I think that's it. Clothes have been put away. This is literally the kids' clothing, that is, so got more of that yet, because washing machine's been on and so is the tumble dryer, so there's a ton more in there. Presents that need wrapping, and yeah, I would love a bed though that went up against the wall, folded up. because you'd have so much more room in here to move around and stuff, and you just can't move the desk anywhere because the desk's so damn big. It's nice though. It's nice to have the space. It's really nice to have the space actually. My side's really hurting. It feels like I've pulled a muscle and I don't even know how. I think that is it. I think. Because I don't want to put you through the rest of this. It's not going to be fun. It's not fun for me. So it's not going to be fun for you. But what I will do is I will get on and make you a Euro Truck video. Although not many of you probably want to watch it, I thoroughly enjoy it. So just like some other games like Demolition Builder, I quite enjoy it. So, but I probably won't play any more of that because it's not something that you don't want to watch. So. Yeah. So anyway, that's it guys. Third and final day. The rest of it is literally clothes putting away, wrapping presents, and that is literally about it. So I mean, desk is gonna get messy again. It's me, isn't it? So anyway guys, that's gonna be it for now. I'll sort out a Euro Truck video for you. And because I've got super fast internet, it uploads. Like an hour-long video takes like half an hour to upload. It's brilliant. Where before an hour-long video used to take all day. So yes. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoy this video. Not that there's much to enjoy because it's crap. But thanks for watching guys. I'll see you next time.